Hi everyone, it's the update about Bitcoin and a few others as we start the new week. Now, yesterday being Sunday in America, but I'm in Australia, it's Tuesday here, we're from the future. We got this big spike, and that had to do with the debt ceiling, that they'd come to some sort of agreement about printing more money or whatever they do. Now, as you know from the last video and the shorts that I put on, that this was a scalp that I did. I put the trade on. I think it's about 30 or 40% in profit now. The issue with this now, I've moved my stop to break even because at the end of the day we are in an uptrend, so it's actually silly to go against that, but with everything that was going on, I put a short on. Something else I want to point out too is that if we go down to a lower time frame and have a look at this last move up, now you can see this is like a 1, 2, or a 1, 2, and then a 3, the big wave, and that's like a perfect wave 4. So if we get the Fibonacci's on it, see where it actually started, probably here. Yeah, look at that, straight bang on that fib target. So it can be a fake out move up because you don't always get a fifth wave, and a fifth wave would be lucky to, how do you work that out? Fifth wave would be doing something around the wrong way. So there, 2, and then, what have I done? Anyway, forget that. But the fifth wave, I reckon a good target would be there. So I've got it at break even at the moment, because if it punches through there, it's going to keep going. I don't know why that doesn't work. Anyway, silly. So I've brought it to break even. I'm still expecting down. My buy orders are still here, here, and here. I've still got a little bit in the game from the big move up. I didn't take all of the profit because I was expecting a move up, but I did take some profit around here somewhere. I didn't buy back in on this one because it sort of was the maximum that would go. I left it alone. I actually think I was taking a break when that happened, because when you make a lot of money, usually I take time off, and it's not unusual for me to take like weeks off. But one of the reasons for doing these YouTube videos, is so that I actually keep an eye on what's going on and I don't miss moves like this. Actually, it might have been that one. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So that's my update on Bitcoin. Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. See, it had a pump too, but this is my buy orders here and here, and that's my stop. So there's nothing saying it can't go. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it comes down here, then we're going up. That's if it holds it. So we just got to wait and see. And if this is a triangle, they can morph into different shapes. It's really hard to judge what a triangle's doing. So all in all, though, my outlook is bullish. Even though I'm saying we might retrace down to here in the short term, all I can see is up. XRP, nice little pump. We're going to have trouble getting through this, but if Bitcoin and that go, and it stays in this channel, it'll just bounce around in here until Bitcoin gets a good pump. So XRP is looking good trading wise. AGX, I haven't looked at AGX for a while. So AGX, same story. There could be, just looking at this here, so Mm, seems to be a bit of a area here. It's a young chart, so it's hard to tell, especially when you've got two like this. This could form a cup and handle and then go too, so be on the lookout for that. I've actually bought Ajax, a lot of it. I believe in the coin. I think it's really a really good investment. Don't be surprised if we come back down here and then go. Um, People play games with new coins like this, so if you're investing in this, make sure it's money that you can lose. Well, that's for all of it. Um, Again, no financial advice, but it's just what I'm doing. I've bought some of that ADA. I sold all of my I sold all of mine up here somewhere. Oh, actually, it was up closer to $3. Um, yeah, I trade this coin, but I don't hold any of it. Um, it looks like the same as XRP, where it's just sort of got this trend going. If it bounces around in that, and there's some sort of big announcement, maybe it will go. XRP has that court case and stuff to finalise, so obviously it might go, but I think you'll see most of the coins are like this. Old Render isn't. Render's opposite. If it's coming into a point, so even if Bitcoin and that dump, I've got up for everything. Maybe down in the short term. Coins like this should hold support. Ones like XRP, there's not much room to travel down. We'll see how it goes if it holds support, but it might be making another pattern like this, the head and shoulders, and up. This could be a shoulder, get another head, shoulder. You can't predict the future, but while it's holding this support and this trend line, I'm looking up. So most of the coins are like that. Dot, I haven't looked at Dot for a while. Oh, that's interesting. It's not following a trend line up. So what have we got here? This is let's see the volume. Now this is worrying. See, this is something that when you look at the forget about this one, the volume. No one's trading it. Even the big sell-offs, there was no volume. So that tells me that it's all it's just following Bitcoin. I think XRP was like a bit like that too. So these coins, if there's a big drop in the market, they usually lose their resistance. So here's another good example. See, when we got the big volume, big volumes, and then there's just nothing. So I'd like to see a lot more volume in this chart. Until there's more volume, it's just going to bounce around, going sideways until that court case is finalised, probably. But you look at coins like, let's go Render. Where's Render? So look at this volume. Everyone's buying. Volume. E-Gold's, well, there's some volume there, but it's just bouncing around. So that tells you that no one's buying it. So just be careful of these coins, because if they don't hold the support, if Bitcoin does dump, these will dump, and then they'll get left behind. So anyway, that's nearly 10 minutes, so I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. I'm not a mind reader. I'm just sort of having a look at the charts the way I do in the morning and look for stuff that takes my interest and put me shorts on, me longs, whatever. do some scalping trades, but overall I'm long on the market. But yeah, let's let us know what you want, and I'm in the process of setting up the Discord, so let me know if you want to get in there so you can actually see what my trades are and jump on the signals. Anyway, thanks for that. Talk to you next time.